everyone, how's everyone doing? It's been a long time since I brought something different, and I've been only doing our daily readings because of my schedule. Today, this video, what I'm going to talk about is the Guru Poornima, which is coming on the 13th of July. One of the most powerful Poornimas where a guru's blessing, first thing, is a must for any person to prosper in life, and a day where people seek the blessings of their gurus and seek the blessings with their masters, and to gain knowledge, to gain wisdom, and to always be successful and happy in life. Because for me, guru is everything. Without guru, life is nothing. Actually, recently one of my student had come over here to Chennai, so I was telling him that guru, after a mother is Janani, a mother is the one who gives you your identity, and the father is the one who shows you the world, or who connects you to the right school, the right people, the right guru, and then the guru is the one who shows you who God is. So after guru only is God. So on this Guru Poornima, that guru has to be loved, has to be respected, has to be taken blessings for. And believe me when I'm saying this, if your guru blesses you, then there is no looking back, because I am a living example of that. And if you have hurt your guru in any way, or if you have done something, maybe you, according to you, you are right, but according to your guru it is wrong, then it is always better to seek the forgiveness of that guru. Because how much ever we try to grow in life, that's what I learned actually. If you see it through my Indian teachers, through my Indian mythology also, and especially in WICCA also, because most of you all know I ardently follow what my high priestess has told me. And for me, not only for me, in WICCA, those who follow the traditional WICCA, for them, the high priestess is an incarnation of the goddess. She is the living goddess, or the living goddess, for those who follow traditional Wiccans and who follow a proper rule of WICCA. So I always used to, every Guru Poornima, even this time, I'm sure every Guru Poornima, I miss that blessings, I miss that wishes. Though I know I think 10,000% or infinite percent sure that wherever she is, she's looking to me and she's blessing me. I know that much. But that blessings, and the way I used to always pamper her, and I used to always wish her and send her something surprises, I do miss that. I really miss that when I do it. So I thought, why not today start something as a a video for Guru Poornima, what you people can do. Definitely one thing you all should do, be it my friends and followers, my students, or anyone's students, that day make your guru happy, and you in turn will be happy lifelong. Other than that, what is it that you can do? You can dedicate a candle for your guru that day and pray that he or she is always healthy, fit and fine. Because if the guru has a long life and is healthy, then the blessings are there for you. Though you might wonder that after the guru goes also there will be blessings. Yes, I'm not saying no, but we all want our gurus to always be there with us with good health, and to be fit and fine. At least I would want that for my guru. Luckily I was blessed, because my guru passed away when she was 97 years old. So it's maybe I'm blessed that way. So even you all should pray for your gurus. So that day on the 13th of July, you can take the blessings of your guru if they are there, and make them happy. In fact, if you stay in the same city, just go meet them and come. There's nothing more than meeting them and taking their blessings. I still remember, when I'm talking now, I used to keep Reiki meets on that day, because many of my students in Chennai have done Reiki with me. I used to keep Reiki meets on that day, and they used to come, they used to surprise me, they used to pamper me with whatever sweets I like, whatever things I like, in terms of cooking for me from home and bringing. I still remember that. Now that I have shifted, so, and after COVID and all, I have not been able to do it. So coming back to it, so that is one thing you can do. And then dedicate a white candle or a light green candle that day for your guru. Also, that is a day where you should seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati if you want wisdom. Now, people who are grown up, who are already working, who are in their offices, you might wonder, what shall we do? Knowledge is a must for everyone, be it you know, be it a young child, be it a grown up, be it an old person. If you see an older person, he might want knowledge from the Vedas, knowledge from the divine books. If you see a person who's into the computer field, he might always want to grow his knowledge in software. Like that, every one of us needs, you know, the blessings and the guidance of Goddess Saraswati. Now coming to our thing, what shall we do for Goddess Saraswati? That day, if you can get a white lotus or at least anything in white flowers, white lotus, offer it to her. Make some prasad for her at home and burn a lamp. Now this lamp should have a combination of ghee, gingerly oil and coconut oil. What time? You can do it anytime, preferably in the evening after 6 o'clock. And burn some Saraswati mantra, chant some Saraswati mantra, sorry, not burn, chant some Saraswati mantra on that day and get the blessings of the goddess as well. Other than that, what you can do is, I want to take you all through a simple small oil which you can keep under the moon that day, and at the same time which you can, you know, keep it in your altar and use it every day in your forehead here as one small, you know, drop, or take it in your palms and just, you know, apply it in this, you know, rub your palms, intending that, you know, the divine is always blessing you and the divine is always there with you. What shall we do for that? In that case, why I'm making this video much earlier is because so that you can, you know, collect those ingredients and keep. Pick up a cup of sweet almond oil. Now in that sweet almond oil, take some lotus petals, break it into small pieces and put the lotus petals in that. Along with that, use a little bit of vanilla oil or vanilla pods. Okay, either vanilla oil or vanilla pods. Along with that, use honeysuckle oil, HONEYSUCKLE, honeysuckle oil, because honeysuckle oil brings in psychic enhancement and brings in good luck. Add a little bit of chamomile to that. Simple. I'm not going to give you something, you know, major or a proper way of, you know, doing an oil. Just put all this, keep it in front of the goddess, keep it under the moon, and every day a drop of this oil, just rub it, and when you smell it, you just say the divine is blessing me and my day is going good and my day is going lucky. Because what happens is, this is something where you enhance your psychic energies. Now when you enhance your psychic energies, what happens? You get clarity, you come to know what is happening around you, and you are aware of things and you know how to handle things. So this is the second thing which you will do that day. And one more thing what I want you all to do that day is, if you all can, from any puja stores, pick up Gorachan, 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 and also pick up either Gomati chakras or some kauris. Take a small green color pouch. In that put 11 Gomati chakras or 11 kauris, and just empty this one dabba, one dibbi or one box of Gorachan, and in that put Mahalakshmi kumkum. If you have from any temple, even that kumkum will do. Tie the potli and hang it in your entrance, inside the entrance, not outside the entrance, inside the entrance, intending that money flow is coming in your lives. One more thing what you can do that day is, apart from this, is that day morning, preferably when you're mopping your house, when you're cleaning your whole house, first show the smoke of either sage or palo santo or sandalwood agarbatti in every corner. Like if this is a corner, in this corner, if that is a corner, then in that corner, every corner of the house, show the smoke. And when you're mopping, add little bit of rose water and add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar in that water and mop the whole house, so that cleansing is done and everything positive, everything good is happening in your house. So that is one thing which you can do that day morning. Also that day specifically, whichever is your lucky color, okay, whichever is your lucky color, that color sari or a shirt or a dress, donate it to someone who is in need, preferably a beggar. If you don't find a beggar in your city, then to your maid. Now I don't have a maid, I don't have a beggar. If there's any college going student who you feel, you know, can wear this pretty dress, then to her. But that favorite color of yours, whichever is your favorite color, or if you call it as your lucky color, then that color you can donate it that day. Again, when you're donating it, just intend that as I give them as a blessing for them, blessings comes back to me 10 times. So this is one thing you will do. Other than that, what you can do is, that day it is very very important that in front of Mata, because Goddess Lakshmi, we all need the blessings of abundance in our lives, right? So in front of Goddess Lakshmi, cut some fruits and keep, preferably red and yellow colored fruits. So mango, pomegranate. You can also, if we say red colored, then watermelon, and yellow colored, I don't know what other fruit we can keep. So preferably yellow and red colored fruits. So in that red and I've already said mango. So mango, pomegranate and watermelon, you can keep that. And what you can do is keep it near Mahalakshmi ji and put and play the Lalita Sahasranama. In Google, in YouTube, basically you get Lalita Sahasranama very easily. Play that and keep a glass of milk in front of her. In that milk, add a teaspoon of honey, 2 ilaichis, the cardamoms, 2 ilaichis, and keep it there along with this. And if you want, in south here what we do is we keep even bananas, and then we just keep there, and then we play the whole Lalita Sahasranamam, and then once it is over, then we have it and we give it to family members. You can do that on that day. Evening, preferably after 6 is what I'm telling you to do all this. At night, 10 o'clock, after 10 to 10, do a healing for Mother Earth. Last time when I had said do healing to Mother Earth, many people came back and said they see beautiful changes in their lives, they see beautiful things happening to them. So what you can do is at night 10, burn a white candle, intending that the energies of the candle is going to Mother Earth. When you bless Mother Earth, in turn you are blessed. When you take blessings from your Guru, then you are blessed more abundantly. So that day, let's work on taking blessings from the Guru, and in turn let's also work on blessing the Mother Earth. One more thing before I end this video, I want to say one thing is that that day, in the evening or in the morning, whenever you can, just go to some temple. Now when you go to the temple, outside the temple you will find flower shops, you will find people selling flowers, people selling whatever they want to sell. Just go there and pick up some flowers, and that flowers, you go inside the temple, you give them that flowers, and then you do some donation and come. Now what donation can you do? Here in temples we have this thing called as the Annadan. We have these counters where they take money for Annadan. You can do that Annadan that day, because they say the biggest thing you can donate is, one is education for a child, and the other one is feeding someone who is hungry. These are two things which always comes multiple fold blessings in our lives. So work on that. Do Annadan, or donate money for Annadan, or at least donate money for some child's education, because you will be blessed multiple folds more in return. Also, in the evening after 7:30, you can charge your crystals. You can make your moon water. I always make my moon water. I have told you all this. Make the moon water. Now those who want to make moon water, at the same time make the energized, a simple way of making a war water can also make moon water. You can put in a bowl of water some rose quartz and keep it under the moon. Now for the war water, in the water you will place some rusted irons. We don't go in depth here, we just keep it under the moon. We energize these waters. War water is sprinkled outside the house so that your house is protected and guarded, wherein the moon water can be used for your bath water, can be used in cleansing your crystals, cleansing your altar, using it as a mopping water. In everything you can use your moon water. So make these two waters, energize your cards, energize your altar tools. Now those who are Wiccans, who follow Wicca, and those who are initiated with their magical names, then use your magical names and energize all the products, and sit under the moon and do a full moon meditation, a simple small meditation. Do all these things, and end of the day, make one small gratitude list. Make a list of 10 things that you are gratitude to the universe that it has happened. I think today someone was telling me, one thing I know for sure, nothing good will happen in my life. So I told her, you have children. Look at people who don't have children. So somewhere you are blessed. So don't say nothing good can happen in my life, because God gives us good in our lives, but we go in search of more good things, and we forget what all existing good things that we have in our life, right? So what you can do is make a gratitude list and read that gratitude list again and again, and thank the universe. When I make a gratitude list, when I write say 5 things, I say I thank the universe for whatever is the first gratitude. And then I say thank you angels, thank you Baba, thank you Merlin, thank you my ancestors, thank you everyone, whoever has been a main person in me getting this in blessing in my life. Like that I tell all the 5 things. You can also do the same way. And when you do this, when you start counting your blessings, then there is nothing more magical and there is nothing more blessed than this. Also, this oil which I asked you all to make, you can make little more and you can use it daily. You can even give it to your clients, you can give it to your friends, so that they have everyday luck in their lives. And that day, if possible, pick up a nice cinnamon donut or a cinnamon bun and have it, so that when you are eating it, just say I love money, money loves me, or I am a money magnet, and you will see beautiful financial surprises coming your way. Hope you all enjoyed this Guru Poornima special video. Do get the blessings of your Guru. I repeat, blessings of a Guru is must, and praying to Saraswati ji is must, and healing the universe that day is a must. Thank you all. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel. I shall keep coming back with more and more videos as and when I get time. God bless you all with loads and loads of abundance and happiness in life. Thank you.